Hello and welcome to ThriftCart. In this video, I want to review how to add purchase product into inventory that has a vendor's barcode on it that you might want to track in the system just for future purchases of that item, being able to easily look it up, but for which you also want to print your own ThriftCart barcode for that product. So maybe the vendor barcode you want to use for tracking, but it has maybe a price on it that you don't want the customers to see. So you're going to cover it up with a ThriftCart barcode or remove it from the product entirely. For adding new inventory in this manner, it's going to be a two-step process. First, we're going to add the inventory into ThriftCart, and then the second step is to print out the barcodes. To do so, in the left-hand side of your screen, select Point of Sale and Inventory, and then choose the submenu item, Add Inventory Items. Choose your first blue button here where it says the item has a barcode or existing item ID, and then go ahead and scan or type in the barcode number from that vendor's product. If you have a barcode scanner, that could be the quickest way to enter this. Or if you don't have a barcode scanner, you can just type in that number. Select the blue button to add this item to inventory, or if your mouse is still in the item number field, go ahead and select the Enter key on your keyboard. And it brings up the field for entering this new product. There's a field here to enter the item name. This will be the name that you want to show up in reports, on the customer receipt, and on the barcode itself. Next, you'll want to select the category for this item to be located under. This is for reporting purposes. And you'll also need to enter the quantity of product per store location. In this case, let's say we're going to put 10 hats at one of our store locations and maybe no hats at the other location, so I'll leave those fields blank. The retail price field is where you'll enter the amount that you are going to sell these hats for. And the cost field is how much you paid for the hats. You can enter the cost for each individual item, or you can enter the cost for all of them combined, at which point ThriftCart will split out the cost for the individual items for you. Next, you'll want to set your source type to be purchase product, and then choose the green button. On this screen, you can select the supplier from which this product came. You can choose a supplier from this list of suppliers that you have entered before, or you can type in a brand new supplier as well. In this case, I'm going to use a vendor that's already in the system. And the final screen shows you the ThriftCart item number assigned to this product. So along with having the vendor's UPC code to look up this product, you also have a ThriftCart ID, in this case 1738. You'll want to copy that number or at least note it for the next step of the process of printing the barcode. Then in your left-hand menu, again under Point of Sale and Inventory, select the submenu item to manage barcodes. In this screen, there's a field where you can enter the item ID, and then select the green button to print this barcode. You can then set the number of barcodes to print, and select the green print button. Now that this item has been entered into ThriftCart, adding additional of this product in the future is a little bit simpler. Under the option to add inventory items, again, scan in the vendor barcode. But this time, ThriftCart recognizes that barcode as product that you've entered in the past. And you can select the option to just add more of this product to a new batch or add it to an existing batch. In most cases, you'll probably add it to a new batch. Again, you'll choose your supplier, or you can enter a new supplier if you purchase this product from a different source. You'll enter the quantity that you're adding to inventory. And notice that this time there's a field for the barcode quantity. So you can go ahead and enter in the quantity of barcodes that you want to be printed for this inventory. Notice also that it prompts for the cost. So maybe the purchase of these supplies was different than the prior purchase. And again, you can enter those for each individual item or for the whole purchase combined. Select the green button to add to inventory, confirm, and then notice that some barcodes are added to the queue. To print your barcodes, you can click Start Automatically Printing Barcodes in the queue below. If you have multiple barcode styles, be sure to select the correct barcode style. So your barcode styles are shown here below. You might have different styles set up for different barcode colors, or even for different label stock, like adhesive tags or hang tags. So make sure that you choose the barcode style that you want, and then click the blue button to start automatically printing barcodes in the queue. If you have any questions, please let us know.